This could be a fight to the death. Saiga antelope. The male's enormous nose both filters out the dust and warms up the cold air before it reaches his lungs. But at this time of year, it also serves a very different purpose. It impresses the females. And the bigger it is, the better. This old male knows what it takes to hold their attention. And if that isn't effective, he has other ways of impressing them. A bush. Very majestic. This young buck fancies his chances. The challenger charges, ready to do battle. This could be a fight to the death. 70% of rutting males will die. The older male eventually begins to gain the upper hand. And with one final effort, he drives the young rival away. The king has kept his crown and his harem.